Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, can't pair Bluetooth, check the pin and try connecting again fix. First method is right-click Start button, click Run. Type Device Pairing Wizard, click OK. Select your Bluetooth wizard. Click Start, Settings. Click Devices. Second method is type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Copy text from description and paste it. Press Enter key. Click and expand addresses. Any folder under address, delete that folder. Close and exit Registry editor. Restart system. Click Start, Settings, click Update and Security. Click Troubleshoot, click Additional Troubleshooters. Select Bluetooth, click Run the troubleshooter. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.